Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's what doing KD, you know what I'm saying, back in another video. Today made a quick and quick and easy video. Today I'm just putting on my 345 Hemi badges and put them on the fenders. I was saying nothing to that. It's simple. Just recording it, put it on here. Show y'all how to go. Lucky for me, it ain't like a charge or anything, so I don't have to take it off. So I just put it cool on. I'm saying, just put it on right there. And then here my badges right here. Yeah, I went black. I'm staying with the black, midnight black. Yeah. So I'm gonna tape up my spot where I want to put it. I already wiped it down, as I show y'all. So I'm just tape on my spot where I want to go. Put the first one on. Show you how that is. Pretty simple with that. Then yeah, easy day. Yeah, it's just going right there. You know what I'm saying? Get you a little rag. Just got a rag, tape, my stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna wipe down the area a little bit better. Just to make sure. Look. Let me get my tape. I'm gonna tape it up at the spot where I wanted to go. I'm gonna cut the camera back on and show y'all. Alright, so that is where I want to put it. Like the perfect spot to me. See, that's where it'll go. Not too high, but not too low. Kind of right above it a little. Kind of even with the top of the tire. Put that right there, not too far over. Don't mind that. Is it? I could leave some. But yeah, just put that thing right there. Yep. See what you do. Just take the inside out first, like that, so it all can stay together. You just place it on there. Make sure place on the right and straight. Once the bitch already loaded, you just peel off the outsides. You know what I'm saying? Let me take the middle piece off too, though. Then yeah, let me show y'all. See, just like that. Put a little pressure on that thing. Like that. Let me just take this off and it's good to go, my boy. See that? So it's just peeling off. Make sure still applying pressure to it while you're doing it, so it can just come off easily. I know it's just the top layer though, but still. Let me take that off. Oops, kind of want to tear it in. Oops. Nah, don't worry. I gotta get a toothpick and something to clean it up. It's not. I'm gonna get a toothpick. And you just toothpick it out, clean it up. I take this off though. Oh. But once I clean it up, you'll see what it looks like. Nice and straight. Yep. Alright, there you have it. Still got like one more little piece. Like right there, I gotta chip off, but other than that, it's good. Yeah, I like the black on it. But then if I get tired of black, I'll just wrap it or something. I like it. Nice. Oh, she dirty. Gotta clean it. Yeah. Oh, snap. Get rid of that. Look straight. She's straight. Nah, I lie. Yeah, she's straight. She good. I like it. Just gotta get that little piece right there with a toothpick. But I gotta go back in the house and get another one. But I'm in my video with this one though. This one. And same thing with this one. Got a little piece. It's just right in there for both of them. For some reason it broke off both sides. But yeah. Easy, didn't take long. Now I'm done. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all next time. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. I got a couple more parts coming in I'm gonna do. Knock out. Easy day. You feel me? But I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Yes, sir.